Mayor weJohannesburg osanda ukungena esihlalweni uDada Murero uzibophelele wathi iANC izimisele ukusebenzela umphakathi izokthoma ngokusombulula umraro wegezi ngoba ulimaza umnotho weSouth Africa. Nakusenjalo iAction SA iziphendulele kuDA yathi batsho idelela ezinye inhlangano esebenzisana nazo kumasipalata weJohannesburg. ANC izokuhlangana iveke ezako lapha izokusho khona bona izokuphatha ngokuhlanganyela nezinye inhlangano eswane kwenekurulweni nofana njani nam. Kanti ukuthuthukiswa kwemthangalasisekelo kunye nokuqina kwezevikeleko nokuphepha yindaba ekhamba phambili nonyaka emajimeni wezokuthutha wanonyaka ngenyanga yezokuthutha. Kanti iqalondanzi zintimela nemporo. Ungqongqoshe wezokuthutha ufikile Mbalula uthome ngokusemthethweni inyanga yezokuthutha ngokukhwela isitimela ePitori namhlanje ekuseni kuthavuselela ukuthembeka kwentimela ngeva kokuthi izoniwe kanti lokho kuzokubiza ababhadeli bomthelo amabhiliyoni wamaranda.
Kungenwa enyangeni yenithuthi ngesithuthi esisetshenziswa babantu abaningi enarheni le. Ungqongqoshe wezokuthutha ufikile Mbalula uhlanganyele nabakhweli esiteshini esiqeda ukuvula ePinari Sport ePitori isitimela nasuka esiteshini seMamelodi siye Bosman eKabeni Doroba ePitori. Isiteshi sibalwa hlangana nezinye intethe eziningi ezoniwe ngesikhathi sokuqindeliswa kwamakhambi enarheni le kodwa njenganje zilungisiwe ziyasebenza kodwa. Njengombana iqalondanzi kungele intimela nje kulungiswe intethe ezilithumi ezibize imali edlula ku2.7 billion rands.
Pinari Sport is part of the 10 corridors that the president spoke about in the State of the Nation. This year we are going to launch and recover. So we don't believe in this thing that the president make announcements in the State of the Nation and things don't get to happen.
Abasebenzi abadlula ku20,000 bebasele baleni njengoba intimela besilo zajama ngo2019 nje konobangela wokoniwa kunye nentshijilo kezokuzivikela nokwahla kongogwane ngimabhubhisa eCovid-19.
I want to ask to the minister and the board chairperson Mr. Leonard to hire a permanent group CEO. So to hire the permanent group CEO, the company is going to move because chop and changing of a group CEO is what is going to the business going to start.
Kuthindwe neyokuthi PRASA kufuze isebenze ngamandla nangefanele ukwenzela ukuqinisekisa ukuthi inikela amaSouth Africa izenzelo ezibafaneleko kanti hlangana nokhunye kubalwa indaba yokuthi intimela lezi zingakhe zingaphazanyiswa lehlelo lokuqindeliswa kwegezi.
When it comes to the line itself, we've got our own power that we are utilizing, so the load shedding will not impact the running of the trains.
Umbalula ubuye wakhumbuza amaSouth Africa nemphathi manje eziphula umthetho ukuthi bazokhomba umzono otshala nange bathoma godi bone umthangalasisekelo wentimela begodwa uthi ubawa kusetshenziswane ekuvikeleni umthangalasisekelo wenarha le khulukhulu ngehlangothini lentimela.